Hi everybody. Today I want to show you this electronic lock pack that I just got, and it's Welock. It comes in this package, and when you open it, it comes like this. It comes with the instructions, comes with a little base for where you're gonna put the electronic lock pack, and then this is the electronic lock. It has a couple of keys that you can use if you run out of battery or something like that. It has keychains with the barcodes. It has all the hardware that you need, and it's the lock itself. So I'm gonna be installing it in this door, and hopefully you can follow along. So what we're gonna do right now is open the back of it to put the 4 battery that it requires. And it tells you right there how to put them in. I don't know if you were able to hear, there's a beep saying that everything is good. And then we turn it around. So as the instructions state, you would put lock 1 2 3 4 5 6 lock. There you go. And then that locks. It will hear the beep that is done. Now you can just turn it back and it's ready to, you're ready to leave. If you come back home and now it's locked, so you go again, lock your code, lock again, and now there you go, and you are set. It will beep again, and then you're ready. If you forget the code or the battery is dead, you can use your key, and then that would unlock it or lock it. There you go. Now, as you can see, there is a code right there, and there comes with tags. It comes with 3 different tags, so you can have it in 3 different keychains. And what is good about this is you can just download their app, the welock.com, and you scan this together with this, and then you can control this lock through your phone. Even if you're not here, you can unlock your lock through the phone, whether it's you're unlocking for someone else or for, run out of battery or something like that. You don't have a key, but you have access through your phone. So, it took me literally 5 minutes to install, and only another 5 minutes to figure out the instructions and how it works. So, it's a great security system, and I love this product. It's really good. So I hope that you guys like it as much as I do.